In this video, we will show you how to create professional presentation slide. Okay, let's start. Go to Insert tab and here we write, select and change the font, increase size. Go to Format, align middle from Align. Again go to Insert tab, click on Picture, select and insert it. Click on right button, send to back. Now hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Format, go to Merge Shape, click on Intersect. Select Also Reflection Variation. Select Shadow. Go to Format, select from Picture Effects, go to Insert tab and here we write After this, go to Character Spacing and adjust the spacing between character and then OK. And select this color. Now let's play the slideshow and see. So friends, if you like the video, then like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for such an informative video. We will meet you next video. Thank you.